Hi everyone, welcome back. First, I want to thank you all people that joined and subscribed to my channel lately. I'm really very grateful. I find it really very encouraging. So in this video today, I'm gonna show you a very easy steps. It means to start painting. So here the first one is about doing a gradient to have a nice sky. The tips here is to not let the dark colors, the dark ultramarine blue come down. Then what you can do is just use a clean brush and a white color to bring it back to the level that you want it to be. Then here I'm creating some clouds. Just it's optional, you don't need to do it, or if you want to do it, it's just to show you how to do them using a finger blending technique. I use this technique a lot and I find it really very nice. Okay, so finger blending is very nice. So you feel like you master the technique and it's very easy. If you don't want to use your fingers, so then you can use gloves, but it's not the same. Okay, you just play and blend colors, and when here I'm coming back with blue because I find that the shapes of clouds became very big and I don't want that. Here I'm working on the bottom part with greens. It's like a landscape. And here the most important thing is the techniques, not the subject. But I know that people like to do things most of the time that have meaning for them. So here I'm using dark green. You just use a dark green, or you mix green with some black or with violet. So you don't need to do a perfect blending, just some areas, because we're gonna cover most of the space and we want a contrast between dark colors and medium tone. By the end you will find the photo of all the material I used here. So adjusting more and cleaning a little bit. What you can do, another tips, you can work on two spaces. One, you just try the technique, and then okay, here is the fan brush. You can use any kind of fan brush you have. Even, of course, if you don't have fan brush, you can use normal brush. It will not give you the same effect, but you can still it can still work well. But it's very fun to paint with a fan brush. I'm using it even to paint abstract. So the tips here is you need on the dark spaces you use light colors, and on the light spaces try to use darker color and build areas like this. If you need another video where I can go on real-time explanation, just please leave a comment below and I will work on that, because I don't know if a lot of people are interested in that. To make the color light, you need just to mix yellow and white, or yellow and greens, or And to make it darker, of course, you can add black, but mix it very well, or violet, black, and some green. If you want me to do a video about mixing colors, I can do that too. I'm an artist, that's true, but I'm a teacher too, so I can do this kind of courses. If you are interested, please let me know. Okay, so we don't drag the fan brush here, we just press it on the canvas and it will leave some marks and give the impression of the landscape. What I used lately, as you saw, it's how to say, ruined brush. I forgot to clean it and it became very hard, so I use it to do some scratching and some forms. And here the result. So thank you very much for watching and see you in the next video. Bye.